Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Some people think that environmental problems should be solved on a global scale, while others believe it is better to deal with them nationally. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Preserving the environment is the need of the hour, as the harmful impacts of environmental degradation are not restricted by geographical boundaries. Consequently, countries around the world come together to share a platform for policymaking and discuss agendas related to conservation. However, national efforts can be more focused and specific, as policies can be designed by analyzing the root causes of deterioration within each country. To begin with, global cooperation is crucial since environmental problems are not confined to national borders. If one region suffers from pollution, its effects may extend to others through climate change or health hazards. For example, Australia faces a significant issue with the ozone layer depletion, which leads to higher rates of skin diseases among its population. Interestingly, Australia contributes far less to global pollution compared to many other countries, yet faces a disproportionate impact. This highlights the importance of collective responsibility. Furthermore, international cooperation enables the formulation of unified climate policies and funding strategies to support the adoption of sustainable practices worldwide. On the other hand, local governments are better equipped to identify and address environmental challenges specific to their regions. For instance, India experiences extreme air pollution in metropolitan cities such as Delhi, mainly due to traffic congestion. In contrast, smaller towns may face different issues like water contamination or poor waste management. Thus, domestic policies can be tailored more effectively, ensuring resources are allocated where they are needed most. In conclusion, both global and national efforts are essential for solving environmental problems. While international collaboration facilitates large-scale policymaking and resource sharing, national governments must implement localized strategies to achieve practical and measurable outcomes. A balanced approach involving both levels of governance offers the best hope for protecting our planet for future generations. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success. And if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.